Yeah, it is cold.
Need some plastic?
No, I'm trying to quit. I know. Sorry for the wind, but that's what happens when the cold front pushes through. Whew, we got this call. This guy's cleaning up his house, putting it up for sale, and he said I can have all the metal. All the metal. I ain't taking no tires. No steel tires. Steel rim with tires. Then he's got another 40 totes he's bringing over from the storage unit. I guess he's going to bring them over tomorrow, though. It's going to be freezing here tomorrow, but I'll do it. I'll come out. Just put more clothes on and go. I don't know what he claims. There's copper in there, but I know there's a couple snakes in there trying to stay warm. Oh, the workbench. Nothing good. Nothing good. A flip. It's like Ian Matthews. I shave every nut and bolt. Because I'm an artist. That's some jams back there. An old tape deck. Woo woo.
Yeah, that cassette tape deck.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's hilarious. Give that to a millennial and say, here you go.
Yeah, here, make this one.
Coffee cans and goodies.
Need this from Gasparilla.
Yeah, that's fine. Good morning. Welcome back to the Golf Coast. Ooh. What do we got up first? A dryer. One that's in parts and pieces. It's okay. Minus the drum. They probably wanted it for a burn barrel. Alright, let's get it loaded. Oh. Yep. And part of a whiskey barrel. One aluminum rim with tires? Sure. And a whole bunch of mess. Oh, I see plastic coat hangers. Not. And a toy. Pull them out and throw them in the back of the truck. They got metal on them. Oops. Could have used that blanket last night when we had no power. No, I don't know what foam filter oil is. Pressure washer hose. Yeah. Not much. Maybe. Doubt he's probably scrapping himself. Getting ready to finish the route. Come across a stove and a dishwasher. Now we gotta get real creative. Oh, can't see. Good morning. Got it. Chilly. All right, Andy, hurry up. First in line. I don't think I've ever been here this early. 5,900 pounds. Yeah, it looks like 55, but it's 5,900. That white stuff sitting on top of that metal filing cabinet is frost. As close as I get to seeing snow. Alright, we got all the steel out. Oh, shoot. There it all is. We got the wire separated. Let's go to the next section. $10. All right, what it weigh? What it pay? Got a new member on the board here, Scrapman Dan. That's cool. Okay. Focus. Light iron, 840 pounds, 8 cents a pound for $67. Iron and aluminum, them chairs, 22 pounds, 18 cents a pound, $3.96. Heavy iron aluminum, 4 pounds, 10 cents a pound, 40 cents. Aluminum extrusion. Dirty. 2 pounds, 55 cents, $1.10. Old sheet, 2 pounds, 50 cents, $1. Clean extrusion, 63. 1 pound, 95 cents for 95 cents. 2 pounds of clean stainless, 65 cents for $1.30. Junk wire, 19 pounds at $1 for $19. And Christmas lights, 17 pounds, 6 cents a pound for $1.02. Wasn't worth trimming the ends. I should have just thrown them in the shred pile. For a grand total of $95, $93, which would be $96. Plus I got $10 for the tire that had the aluminum rim on it. Yeah, I could have paid $5 and had the tire removed and probably made $17 off the rim minus the $5. Then I got to get rid of the tire. Yeah, it's just simpler just to sell it to the guy at the tire shop. Got to find a trailer today. Got a clean out job to finish. Right. If you like the big part 1 of this video, give me a thumbs up. Share me out. Tell your friends. Help the community. Check out these other YouTube channels here. Go over and say hello to them. Ring the bell. Subscribe to them. Tell them Gulf Coast sent you. And subscribe to my channel. And y'all have a good day. More to come. Sunset. I can't be at the beach right now, but I got one last meeting with some potential scrap deals, and then we go from there. Have a good night.